nearest place where they can live.
County Mama Kweni, Gavana Mutula Kilonzo Jr. Benekoro kwa jo Kenya maromo milion ang'wen matiyo pinje maoko mondo mi okan yutogi e sectors mapacho kae mondo mi okony medo thuolo mag tije kod ting'o malo uchumi mar piny Kenya. Mutula mabende ne loso kanyo boma ma Konza mano ikinde mane iketo mise mar gedo mag udi ma jo Kenya moko maodak e pinjego mago mag Ireland. Chenro no mano mar gero udi itimo e lowo malach mare romo eka 40 e boma ma Konza mano ma en mokwongo e county no ma Makueni.
I keep insisting that Kenya is the best country we have. Those people who are out there are envying us. They want to come to Kenya, they want to invest in Kenya. We must open our doors. County government of Makueni, we have given an unconditional support to all investors. We will give you whatever support. Where government fails in terms of bureaucracy, Makueni, through the cabinet, has given a clean bill of health to anybody who wants to come to invest, provided those conditions that we have set are made available. We have also given them facilities, and we are going to ensure that they have the necessary infrastructure to begin this development. Our investment ourselves as people, both from our forefathers in Konza, formerly Maleli Cooperative, and this land and others, must see the fruits.